for a ticket to the FIBA World Cup in Spain.
Pointer once again by Minggu. Oh, he has repeatedly hurt us. He's got a total of 20 points. Tandaan natin, mananalo po dito. Makakalaban ng Iran bukas sa final set ng FIBA Asia Championship. Ang hindi naman po papala rin, makikipaglaban sa Chinese Taipei in that battle for third. De Ocampo underneath. Off the glass for two.
That is a typical Trinidad De Ocampo move. Catching the defender on the wrong foot.
Himself, but saves it to the wrong man. Minggu fouled by Alabag. Juti foul given up by the captain of Gilas Pilipinas. Para mapigilan yung takbo ng Korea. Jimmy Alabag replaced here by Ed.
Big miss, big miss.
Tenorio gets it across. Looking to push the action. Castro didiskarte kontra kay Yang. Mahigit 8 minuto na lang natitira sa knockout semi-final matchup na to. Castro loses that leather. Yang on the run. It's a 2-on-1. Yang all the way for 2. At kung kami nasaktan dito sa Korea sa kabilang dulo, as Lee Seung-jun comes up hobbling. Pero okay lang daw siya dyan. That official's timeout gave us an opportunity to bring back Gabe Norwood, Kinito.
And the lead has been brought down to just 3 points. Bilis.
Tenorio didiskarte. Kim Tae-sul keeps an eye on it. Tenorio susukatin siya. For that rebound. Less than 67, 64. Gilas by 3. Yang wants to cut into it. 16-footer doesn't work. Jamming for the board. Chan on the run. Being hounded now by Yang. De Ocampo nandin lang. Pinagsakit Japan for the 2 points.
Teamwork ng Gilas Pilipinas, especially when we're coming close to the basket, making the extra pass.
Tae-sul over to Yang. They get it over to Kim Joo-sung. Natapigan ni Ranidel, but a foul is whistled. Sa pagsundot ni De Ocampo.
I think it is kailangan ni Coach Torres to bring back that fire and intensity sa depensa. He's now checking in for Ranidel De Ocampo. Kanina maganda yung partnership ni De Ocampo at saka ni Davis.
Is he running on pure adrenaline right now?
I think so. It's pure heart.
Kita mo, umiika-ika talaga yung napapajogging, lakad o takbo. Korea on the attack, down by 5 points. Yang na traffic. Pinilit kumuha ng paraan. Tenorio picks it up. Tenorio pushes it up papunta kay Norwood. Norwood wants to post up Tae-sul. Norwood puts it up, huli. Lee Seung-jun. Ito na naman ang Korea sa kabilang dulo. Uy! Oh, kabila!
Now it looked like he might have taken an extra step. Referee didn't see it.
Korea still with the ball. Now they get it over to Seung-jun against Japet, looking to push. Seung-jun with that quick spin to the baseline for 2 points. Tenorio surveys the floor, waiting for the pick, coming from Pigris. Tenorio gustong makipagsayaw dito kay Tae-sul, asking for the clear out. 4 seconds remain in this shot clock. LA puts it up. No, he gets his own board. That plays up his own net.
No offensive or no defensive rebounder for South Korea that time. These guys making their way inside.
Kicks it out to Tae-sul. Elbow jumper. Naklis lang sa ring. But it is recovered by Kim Jong-kyu. Minggu na naman against Chan.
The shot clock wasn't reset. And they're saying that it hit the ring, so it should have been reset.
Pero may foul na rin na nasilip dito kay Mark Pigris. As Lee Seung-jun crashed to the floor. Unang first shot pa lang naman yan para dito kay Sakuragi as Korea will sue for time. 71-66, abante ng 5 ang Gilas Pilipinas.
Wala si Marcus David, Pigris and Japan Aguilar. Dapat tibayin nila ang kanilang interior defense right now.
Castro. Wala dito kay Yan. 8 segundo na lang natitira sa ating shot clock. Jason goes to the left side. Looking for the crack at that. He was finding Ping for the knockout 2 points.
A great move there by Jason Castro, attracting the defense. Kasi alam ng Koreano how deadly he is in penetration. He's drawing the defense and he's taking the extra pass.
Mingo na naman gets the basket.
There is a 4-point play opportunity right here. Kim Mingo is the guy, man of the hour here for South Korea. He's not missing.
3-point shot atin sa atin ng Meralco ang liwanag ng bukas. Mingo before tonight was shooting just 33% from that deep. China has picked up his second personal foul. Four-point play completed and Korea is now within 1 point. Castro through a Ranidal pick. He's got the big man switching out on him. Castro wants to clear out. Biglang pumulap ng tres. Castro no. Rebound. Jongkyu. Or tinapik bago tumama sa ring. Kasi kung tumama na sa ring, pwedeng tapikin yun actually.
So it looks like
Nasa ring.
tama yun, but that ball was,
Nasa loob ba ng cylinder?
parang nasa loob, ha?
Parang pumapasok ulit eh. Parang inihigop eh. Oh, and it's gonna be jump ball. And possession arrow.
The best defender of the Philippine team.
Are we 26 seconds away para mapuro na ang bangungot ng Korea? Castro, big red! Fades it out!
Offensive rebounds, and the Philippines is up by 7. It could be the Philippines winning this game.
Yang for 3, no! Biglis with a rebound! And the curse of Korea is about to be broken here inside the MOA Arena!
The Philippines is in the finals of the FIBA Asian Championships. What a victory!
Gilas Pilipinas books a ticket to Spain next year. Nasa finals po tayo bukas kontra Iran. What a performance by Gilas! Kalahati ng ball game, hindi lang mga bata natin ginito. Puso, lahat iniwan, buwis buhay. Type of basketball ang ginamit dito.
Unbelievable. And you know, a show on sportsmanship here on the part of the Koreans. I don't think the coach went over to Coach Sean Reyes to congratulate him.